If you have 5 minutes and 4 ingredients, you can make this delicious mango sorbet. There's a few reasons why I love making my own ice creams and sorbets at home, and here is why. You can totally make it healthier than what you would buy in a grocery store. And you only need a high-speed blender or a food processor. You don't need an ice cream maker. You know exactly what's going into it, and there's no weird fillers or strange ingredients that you can't pronounce. And you can honestly customize your own ice creams and sorbets to however you want with whatever ingredients you happen to have. You can try this with frozen mango that you buy at the store, or you can cut up your own fresh, juicy, ripe mangoes and do it yourself. Either way is easy, and this is so delicious. It's only gonna take you 5 minutes with 4 ingredients. Let's get to it. So we're gonna start by adding 4 heaping cups of frozen mango chunks to the bowl of a food processor or high-speed blender, and then we're gonna add the juice of 1 lime. I roll mine out on the cutting board first to help release more of the juices before squeezing it. Helpful little hack for you guys. And then we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. You can totally sub for agave nectar or date syrup if you please. And then we're gonna add 1/2 cup of coconut cream. This will give it a delicious coconutty flavor and creamy texture. Put the lid on, and then we're going to pulse it a few times just to help things get going, and then we're going to blend it on high speed. You might need to stop a few times to scrape down the edges and press down any large chunks that remain, and blend it until it is very smooth and creamy, and it turns out something like this. It's sunshiny, it is smooth, it is silky, it's so nice, you guys. And you can see that the texture here is pretty soft. You can totally eat it right away if you prefer more of a soft serve texture, or you can pop it in the freezer for a couple hours just like I've done here. It gives it a more frozen, scoopable, spoonable texture, which in my opinion is a little bit more satisfying. And yeah, it's just amazing, you guys. 4 ingredients, takes 5 minutes to make, and it's just so darn good. It's healthy, you know exactly what's going into it, and it will be a delicious summer treat that the whole family will love and they'll want to eat all summer long. All in all, guys, if you're looking to ditch basic vanilla and chocolate vegan ice creams wherever you go, you gotta make this. It is so good. It's perfectly sweet, not too sour. The lime juice brings out the flavors of the mango. It complements the sweetness of the maple syrup, and the coconut cream gives it this amazing, slightly coconutty essence, and it makes it even creamier and smoother. It has such a delicious mouthfeel. This is just as good, if not better, than any other sorbet that you would buy at a store. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up and let me know in a comment below if you like this. Let me know if you want to see any other flavors on this channel, because I am here for it. I'm probably going to be making a few extras throughout the summer, so make sure you're subscribed below so you don't miss out on any delicious upcoming summer recipes, like maybe another kind of sorbet. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye! Ooh, brain brace. This is so nice.